Welcome to your spelling class. Welcome again to class. Today is Monday, September 28, 2020. And in our spelling class, we're going to work with list number 26. Yes. So let's go and look in page 50, our awesome words. Now our word number 1 is the word swamps. Swamps, S-W-M-P-S, swamps. And our first sentence says, we could hear the frogs croaking in the nearby swamps. That's our first word. Word number 2 is deserts. Camels are often used to cross descending deserts. Word number 3, jungles. These jungles are full of tropical birds. Jungles. Word number 4. Many forests have areas for hiking and camping. Forests. Forest is our word number 4. The Everglades are home to many alligators. Alligators. It's our word number 5. The raccoons got into our garbage cans last night, so our word number 6 is the word raccoons. Word number 7, kangaroos. They are native to Australia, kangaroos. So we have here so many names of different animals. We start with alligator. We have alligator, raccoons, kangaroos, and now we have tigers. Joy took pictures of the tigers at the zoo. Tigers. Word number 9. Koalas eat mostly eucalyptus leaves. Koala. And our last word is the word number 10. And it's the word zebra. Zebras can be found in Africa. Yes, zebras can be found in Africa. Zebra is our last word. So, you're going to copy one by one each one of the sentences in your notebook. After that, you're going to have your homework, of course. Homework time. What is your homework? Well, it's a very easy homework. You are going to complete activities from book page 48 and 49. Activities from book page 48 and 49 of your books. And also you're going to look for the Spanish meaning from word number 1 to word number 10. That was everything for today's spelling class. Hope you enjoy it. Keep safe at home. I'm sending a lot of hugs and kisses. Bye.